Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best drain snake is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools for every homeowner, transforming frustrating, gurgling sinks and overflowing showers into free-flowing bliss with a simple, effective solution that tackles stubborn clogs without harsh chemicals, saving you time, money, and the headache of calling a plumber for minor blockages. Number 5. Flexisnake Drain Weasel Hair Clog Remover Kit. Tired of stubborn drain clogs? This innovative kit is your ultimate solution for quickly and easily removing hair, grime, and debris from any drain in your home. It tackles even the toughest blockages without the need for harsh chemicals or expensive tools. Featuring patented micro-hook technology, it grabs onto hair and other obstructions with incredible efficiency. This ensures a thorough clean every time, leaving your drains free-flowing and clear. Its 360-degree rotating handle makes operation incredibly simple. Just spin it to lock onto the clog, and pull it out in seconds, no mess, no fuss, and no need to call a plumber. Each kit comes with 5 disposable 18-inch micro-hook wands and a reusable quick connect handle. This provides multiple uses, ensuring you're prepared for future clogs whenever they arise. Ideal for sinks, showers, bathtubs, and grates, its thin design fits nearly every drain. Plus, it's a chemical-free solution, making it safer for your pipes, your family, and the environment. Proudly made in the USA by a family-owned business, you can trust in its durable, high-quality construction. It's designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, delivering reliable performance every time. What we like. This tool features patented micro-hook technology and a rotating handle for quick, mess-free hair clog removal. Its unique design allows you to easily grab and pull out hair without harsh chemicals. If you're looking for a simple, effective solution for hair clogs and prefer disposable wands for hygiene, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Forlivese 25-inch Drain Snake Clog Remover. Are you tired of slow-draining sinks and stubborn clogs? We have the perfect solution to keep your pipes flowing freely. Introducing the Forlivese 25-inch Drain Snake. This value pack includes 4 powerful clog removers, ensuring you always have one ready. Crafted from soft, high-quality polypropylene, these tools feature a multi-tooth barb design. They easily bend to navigate tight spaces and effectively hook onto hair and debris. Engineered for outstanding flexibility, they easily reach deep into P-traps where most clogs occur. They snag hair and debris without damaging your pipes, ensuring a thorough clean. Say goodbye to expensive plumbers and harsh chemicals. These removers are incredibly easy to use and simply rinse clean for repeated use, saving you money and protecting your family. From kitchen sinks to bathroom tubs and toilets, these versatile tools tackle clogs anywhere. They efficiently catch hair, food particles, and other blockages, making them essential for every home. What we like. This value pack provides 4 flexible, barbed wands designed to navigate various pipe shapes. It's an economical and reusable solution for everyday drain maintenance. If you need multiple tools for different drains or prefer a cost-effective, chemical-free option for regular upkeep, this pack is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points can be extracted from reviews. Number 3. Snake Drain Hair Clog Remover Tool Set. This comprehensive set includes 3 plastic drain clog removers and 1 flexible grabber claw tool. It provides everything you need to tackle various drain blockages effectively. Its plastic removers feature barbs designed to grab hair and soft debris deep within your drains. This makes clearing common clogs simple and cost-effective, saving you from expensive plumber calls. For more solid obstructions, the stainless steel claw tool is your solution. It can easily retrieve dropped items like pencils from deep drains, thanks to its flexible design. These tools are incredibly flexible, bending to navigate various pipes and strainers with 360-degree rotation. They are perfect for common problem areas like kitchen sinks, bathroom sinks, and tubs. Unlike harsh chemical cleaners, this reusable set is environmentally friendly and safer for your home. You can avoid skin burns or respiratory irritation, making it a healthier choice for everyone. What we like. This versatile set includes both plastic barbed removers for hair and a stainless steel claw tool for solid objects. Its dual functionality ensures you're prepared for various types of blockages. If you encounter both hair clogs and occasional dropped items in your drains, this comprehensive kit offers a solution for both. What people say. Number 2. 6-pack 25-inch drain snake. This tool is specifically designed to tackle stubborn hair clogs in various drains. Its flexible, barbed design effortlessly grabs hair and debris, quickly restoring proper water flow. Crafted from durable polypropylene, it easily navigates curved pipes and P-trap areas. Its generous 25-inch length ensures you can reach even the deepest blockages. This versatile tool is perfect for all your home drains, from bathroom sinks to kitchen sinks and even household sewers. It's ideal for daily hair clog cleaning and routine drain maintenance. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and costly plumber visits. This eco-friendly solution is safe for your pipes and your family, plus it's reusable for long-term value. Using it is incredibly simple and takes just seconds. Just insert it into the clogged drain, twist, and pull out the blockage instantly, no extra tools needed. What we like. This generous 6-pack offers flexible, long tools that easily reach deep clogs in various household drains. They are reusable and provide a chemical-free cleaning solution. If you have multiple drains needing frequent attention and want a durable, eco-friendly option for general hair blockage removal, this pack is a great fit. What people say. Number 1. POPULO 20V Cordless Drain Auger. Tired of stubborn clogs? This powerful cordless drain auger makes cleaning quick and effortless. It's 5 times faster than manual tools and requires 90% less effort. Experience up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Its 25-foot cable fully retracts in just 2 minutes, making it perfect for common household clogs. This tool's 25-foot flexible cable is replaceable and clears drains from 3/4 to 2 inches. Its powered auto-feed mechanism effortlessly guides the cable forward and reverse, tackling tough blockages with ease. Designed for everyone, it includes video tutorials via QR code for quick learning. Plus, access to replacement parts and after-sale support ensures it stays in top shape for years. Act early when water flow slows down to prevent major issues. This reusable solution can save you costly repair visits, making it a smart choice for routine drain maintenance. Enjoy ergonomic comfort with its rubberized grip, perfect for extended use. The built-in LED light illuminates dark areas, and a rear drain port keeps the drum clean. What we like. This powerful cordless electric auger features an auto-feed 25-foot cable, making tough clog removal effortless and fast. It offers significant time and effort savings compared to manual tools. If you frequently deal with stubborn clogs, desire an automated solution, and value convenience and power, this is the premium choice for you. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.